nice looking. We're at Bill Yeck Park in Centerville, Ohio. We parked at the McGuffey Meadow entrance, and basically you just follow signs with a yellow butterfly on them, and that is the yellow trail. And this is McGuffey Meadow. One thing I really like about this trail is it's pretty peaceful out here. Not a whole lot of people come out here, and there's 5 creek crossings, and sometimes when it rains it gets a little crazy to cross them, but for the most part they're pretty easy to do. It's kind of nice having the dog pull you up the trail. This park is managed by the Centerville-Washington Township Park District, and they've spent about a year working on this park, just redoing the trails, fixing the creek crossings. They had some issues before. With rough trails. Trails weren't too great, and they've also been working on erosion. So they've closed some trails down and created some new paths. So they're doing a really nice job on it. This is a beautiful hike. Very nice place to take your family to. Like I said, a lot of fun water crossings, which I think most people enjoy doing. So especially on a hot day, it's really not too bad getting in that water. That looks like some nice flowers out there. Purple, yellow flowers.
And they're massive.
Gross.
Feeding on it for a long time.
A boa constrictor with ticks?
It was crazy.
I hate ticks.
Right.
So on this trail, the yellow trail, you just keep heading straight. We used to go that way, but you don't do it now. It gets pretty soggy when it gets wet out. I found that out the hard way. So the trail is marked pretty well, as you can see. Lots of yellow butterfly signs. We are going to go to the right. This is a nicely maintained trail. Do has some tree roots you need to watch out for, but not much else really getting in your way. One down tree back there, which is pretty unusual, and it's pretty flat surface, not real strenuous. Whoa, come on, what are you doing? Just down this steep hill here is a old well, and I think it was relocated. It's from an old building here in Centerville. This area had all kinds of stone houses, and I believe it has the largest collection of stone houses in Ohio. But it's a really cool well. It looks like the well from The Ring, which is pretty freaky. So if you've ever seen the movie, the girl coming out of the well, then that's what this well kind of looks like. So I was wrong about the well. It was not relocated. It was actually discovered in 1984. It's called the Stevens Well for Stevens Farm, and it was restored, so back to what it looked like back in the day, but it's still pretty cool. So this is where the water was really high about a month and a half ago, I think. I could not see across this. It was much easier to cross this time. Last time I thought about actually carrying her across that creek, but I couldn't even see any rocks or anything. It was so flooded, so I think I might have made the wise decision to turn back. This is stream crossing number 5. No, this is 6. Well, that's pretty down there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at that. I think it's our last crossing.
Don't let me up on this, girl. Whoops, sorry.
Gonna go, I think left. Right? Heck, I don't know.
It looks like yellow's both ways.
I'm gonna go that way. It's our last crossing right here. So I made a mistake. I went down the old trail that I'm used to doing. I did not follow the proper signage, and I got in some mud. So follow those trail signs. So that's it for our trip to Bill Yeck Park. Had a great day of hiking, and thanks for coming along with me.